Clear? So there is some kind of movement. अच्छा, suppose करो, I and my wife, I am moving, and two friends are moving, suppose. And when we are moving, and my speed is something different, and my friend's speed is something different, what will happen? We will detach. And if the glacier is similarly, the glacier has two types of movement, and one, my body movement is in this direction and this movement, then there will be a crack. Yes or not? If this portion is moving in this direction, upper layer, and where some depositing, it is also moving under the gravity downward. Because of that, there can be a possibility of development of a crack. Yes or not? Develop hoga crack. I said that there will be a development of crack. It is clear? Due to the differential speed in the zone of accumulation. Due to differential speed of glacier, layers, in the zone of accumulation, large crack develop, it is known as Berggrund. It is known as Berggrund. B-E-R-G-S-C-H-R-U-N-D. Berggrund. Understood it? And आपको जब time मिले तो there is some features are there. Yes, you can be able to see here. And perhaps if you remember, yesterday I taught you blowhole. Able to see? Much better picture. And this blowhole, when this has been collapsed completely along with this roof, it will create a geo or inlay. समझ में आ रहा? That is related to which I said? Coastal landform. And here I said that this is in a large crack developed, and it is what? At the point of what? Zone of accumulation. This large crack is known as what? Berggrund. Have you seen the one movie is earlier? It's in a vertical limit based on Karakoram. The people are moving along this. And then somehow, आपने देखा था कि that they have been, when they are reaching near Karakoram, suddenly avalanche took place. Ice started coming down, snow started coming down, और वो लोग एक गड्ढे में गिर गए थे. And that is what? Berggrund. That is what? Berggrund. और ये Berggrund कवर भी हो सकता है ग्लेशियर से ऊपर. Snow आ गया, and it can be what? Granule snow, or it can be of fun. It is not on a hard. और आप ऊपर में इसीलिए कभी कभी डालते हैं सड़क से अंदर गए. Understood? So there is a very high chance if you are going on to the Mount Everest and higher, there will be such kind of what crevasse on the very large amount of what Berggrund you can find. So better to what is going to have all this knowledge. So I said Berggrund समझ में आ गया. What is Berggrund? And these are known as what? Crevasse. This is not the Berggrund. Berggrund कहाँ पे बनता है? At the point of, yes, tell me, zone of accumulation. Understood? So understood Berggrund. Now we are going to see the cirque formation. If you are watching out, there is a snowfall is taking place, and such steeper slope, snow can exist. Exist करेगा या नीचे चला जाएगा? Generally रुकने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Some depression, small depression. And let us see, I said that what is small depression, ध्यान से देखेंगे, large depression, small depression, and then earlier what has been happened, small layer of glacier, जैसे मैंने अभी दिखाया, small layer of glacier, and when it is moving they will have some kind of particles, and these particles are known as till and all, ये भी particles stills होते हैं, and they have what it is, they started doing what, abrasion and plucking. If you can see, like I said, so there is a small gap, yes or not? In this small gap started holding, जब एक बार glacier बनने लगा तो आगे पीछे they started what is holding each other, and through the cohesive force and all slowly, and then they started what? Through the abrasion and plucking, what you are watching? Slowly and slowly it is becoming deep. Have you seen that cloth made armchair? घुस जाओ अंदर, understood? And this way you can be able to see, like I said, that abrasion, plucking and hydraulic pressure able to give us what? This kind of what? Semicircular. Which kind of, I said that? Semicircular structure. Which kind of structure? If you'll see, what is this? Semicircular structure. Able to locate? And that is known as what? Cirque. Understood it? And if in this cirque, when the glacier melts, accumulated water is known as Tarn Lake. In the cirque, I said that cirque is what? Semicircular structure. Semicircular structure created by the abrasive action and plucking action applied by glacier on the bedrock. Accumulated glacier in the cirque is known as Cirque Glacier or Kori Glacier. Accumulated glacier in the cirque is known as Cirque Glacier or after melting, water accumulated in the cirque known as Tarn Lake, known as change the para. During scarcity of water, transhumans आप जानते होंगे, there is some tribal people, they are having herders, lots of animals. During the scarcity of water, they move to the upward in the mountainous region. और जब नीचे पानी मिलता है, they move downward. Understood? जहाँ पे पानी होगा, pasture होगा, they will keep on moving. Understood? So the transhumans, during the scarcity of water, transhumans का मतलब होता है, they used to, during the change, with the respect to season, they used to what? Move from one region to the another. Yes or not? Higher the hills, coming down the hills. Yes or not? Transhumans live around such lakes. as well as tribal settlement, also take place for the part of a year. Yes, I said that in the Tibet, if you'll go and if you'll see that there is a Drokpa, Brokpa, Changpa, these are, I said that different kind of, I said the tribal people are living in the Jammu and Kashmir, and these are what is they used to carry the herds and all. So this kind of tribal people living in such height, they are what is moving here and there, and they'll what is getting water from here. Understood? So which are the tribes I said that? Changpa. Yes. Which I said that? Changpa, Drokpa, Brokpa, Changpa, Drokpa, Brokpa, Balti, these are the famous. Balti मतलब समझते हैं? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, बल्तिस्तान, गिलगिट. Understood it? So ये लोग रहेंगे तो क्या ग्लेशियर को मेल्ट करके खाएंगे? बाद में वोट का पता ही नहीं चलेगा. So I said that they need some kind of origin and transferring with respect to season. Yes or not? They need water. Anybody cannot sustain without water. So I said that this is, I said, because they know what is the meaning of season. वो season को जानते हैं, and their ancestors have done that. यदि टुंड्रा में जाओगे तो they used to melt it. Melt the glacier. Therefore they are having the water. Understood? They are drinking the bloods of what is an animals. Hello? So I said that. So there is a different kind of cultures are there. So several you can be able to see. Understood it? So which are the two landforms we have seen? Tell me first. What we have seen, Bergstone, zone of ablation and zone of accumulation, and zone of ablation I have shown you. There is at the zone of accumulation due to differential speed of different layers. Then I said that which one? Sark. क्या बोला मैंने? Sark, Tarn Lake. यही तो दो landform बताए हैं. Sark and then significance of Tarn Lake I have told you. What is the significance? Is it clear? Now the next one that we are going to see, Arit and pyramidal peak. This is, I said that, Arit. This is, I said that what? Suppose there is a mountain is there, and this side is Sark. Yes or no? The Sark is eroding their back. And then on the opposite side another Sark is eroding their back. By eroding their back, what we'll be able to get, if there is a rock is like this, and by doing the, if the Sark is over there, the eroding their back, and eroding their back. So in the center they leave behind what? A knife-like ridge. A knife-like. The two opposite Sark glaciers in the mountains. Two opposite Sark glacier in the mountain. Two opposite Sark glacier in the mountain. By eroding their back, leave behind knife-like ridge. Knife means chaku. Knife-like, and this ridge is known as Arit. And this ridge is known as air it. Understood? And like we can be able to see like here, what is this? सब ग्लेशियर, और बाद में यहां पर मेल्ट होने के बाद क्या बन जाएगा? टानले.